Hello, and in this video I'm going to tell you about logical operator in JavaScript. So on my screen you can see I have two logical operator. First one is the AND logical operator and the second one is the OR logical operator. And AND operator is denoted by this symbol, whereas OR operator is denoted by this symbol. Right, now let me demonstrate it with an example. So let's say suppose I have two variables. Let's say I have var a is equal to true and var b is equal to, let's say, false, right? Now in AND operator I'll write var c is equal to a AND operator and logical operator and then b, right? And then I'll print this variable console dot in console.log. I'll print this variable c, right? Now since a and b are having true and false values, so definitely this variable c will contain either true or false, right? Now I'll do one more thing and then I'll show you the result in the terminal, and I'll also tell you about the AND and OR operator more in detail. So let's say I'll type var d and here I'll write a and then I'll write OR logical operator and then I'll write the variable b and then I'll print this variable in the very similar fashion I did it for c variable, that is in line number 10. So now I'll print this variable d, right? And this is the same, right? This is also contain either true or false as the value, right? Now here you can see that when we are talking about the AND operator, right? So let me show you the conditions first. If two operands are true, or let's say I'll write if both operands are true, then result is true, else it is false, right? So now here you can see that if I'll run this in the terminal, this file, I'll write node operator.js. So here you can see that for this first one, since I have used two console statement, that is why in the terminal first one is showing for the and the second one is this for d, which is showing as true, right? So here you can see that why it is giving this false, right, for this console.log. Reason being because here you can see that I have true and false, and if both operands are true then the result is true, else it is false, right? Now if I'll replace this variable b value from false to true, now let me check the results. So here you can see that we are getting true, right? So when both these are true, then only the result will be true, else it will give the false result which was showing earlier. Now if I'll talk about the OR operator or logical operator, then what will the condition over here? Here you can see that now since I have both these values as true, right, and here in this case it is saying that any of them, right? So let me, if any operand is true, then result is true, and if all are false, then result is false, right? Now let me show you this. Since here you can see that each and everything is true, so definitely I'll get the output as true, right? But what happens in this case, if I'll have true in the first variable and false in the b variable, right? So I have true in the variable a and false in the variable b. Now if I run this file, so what output will I get, right? For this OR operator, definitely here I'll be getting as true only, right? Because here you can see that if any operand is true, then result is true, right? So now if I'll run this file, so I'll get this as true, right? And why it is now showing as false? Because it is saying both the operands are true. So here you can see that now both the operands are not true. One is false, so the result will be false for this AND, right? And this one is for OR, it is showing as true. Now if both of them are false, let me check with this one also. And if I'll run this file now, so I'll get false in both the conditions, right? So I hope you have understood the AND logical operator and OR logical operator, and in case if you have any doubt, you can ask the same in the comment section. And guys, if you have liked this video and if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, so please subscribe the channel, and definitely I'll hope to meet you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.